How to fix OfferUp app not working. Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your OfferUp application is not working, firstly check for your VPN connection. This is because OfferUp application is limited for US only. So if you are outside of the US and you are trying to use a VPN connection to use your OfferUp, that might be the reason why your OfferUp application is not working. If not, there might be a technical bug or the glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll and tap on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for OfferUp. In here, tap on the Force Stop button and OK. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on the Clear Cache button. This should solve your application not working. If the issue still persists, you need to check on your system update. Ensure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of OfferUp. Please keep in mind that if your OfferUp application is ongoing an update, it will simply not launch or work. In that case, relaunch your application after a couple of minutes. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.